Alright. It's Wednesday. So we have the weekly test coming in here.
Around 5 miles an hour.
In just a second, I'm going to set the camera time until the test
Mostly
starts.
clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Light and variable winds becoming north around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 60s. Light and variable winds becoming northeast around 5 miles an hour after midnight. And now the extended forecast for the lower Susquehanna Valley. Friday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 50%. Friday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance.
Hi, State College! Alright, go off. Hello? Go off. Hello, radio. Wow, cool.
Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Perry, Cumberland, Dauphin, and Lebanon counties.
Alright. Well, anyway, time for me to listen to Yard Sale. So, oh, what the heck. Let's go to 95.3. Alright, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. That will be it.